Hi everyone and welcome back to my final morning report analysis video on Tuesday the 11th of October with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. I'm going to be looking at gold, and we're seeing this sort of consolidation really in gold rather than a recovery. Last couple of candles, bit disappointing really if you're a bull. Bit of a slight gain. Was it four? Yeah, 12.54 to 12.56, and then another couple of dollars on the upside, 12.59. So $5 higher in 2 days. You've got basically a doji candle there, and again a bit of a disappointing move yesterday. This is not really a rally that is gaining too much traction. It's a bit disappointing, isn't it? I thought there was going to be much more of a reaction from Friday's payrolls that was driven through yesterday. It seems as though 12.65 has been resistance now building up. Last couple of days that has been the rally high. 12.65 rolled over. We're still seeing this sequence. I mean, you could argue the sequence that dates back to this day here on the 30th of lower highs on a daily basis. It still sort of doesn't really gain too much traction in a recovery. I mean, these stochastics have mildly turned higher. It doesn't look like it's going to be a recovery of any real magnitude. The RSI has sort of tailed off already. It's not really going to be generating any real buy signals. And again, sort of you can see in the hourly chart that in the last few days has basically moved sideways, and the momentum indicators sort of failing to gain much traction. Again, sort of around 60 on the hourly RSI, the failure. As I said on the morning report, I think if it goes below 40 on the hourly RSI, I think that could start the selling pressure coming back through. So this is one to certainly be careful of, I think, today. I think, to be honest, I'm still pulling out for a retest of the 12.51 key support. The old key support which was this reaction low here on Brexit Day, 12.51. I think you're going to get a retest of that, and then maybe even 12.41 again, because I don't really see the dollar sort of weakening a great deal from here. In fact, it seems to be strengthening across the board, and I think that's going to be pulling gold lower. So generally speaking, gold is a sell into strength. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow.